Have you ever dreamt of becoming a content creator, but you thought you needed a fancy equipment to get started?
Yeah, boy.
Think again.
Boobs? What?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Just Sosa. On today's episode, I am very excited to be introducing a series I title Content Creation Basics for Beginners. In this series, I am going to show you how you can create amazing content using just your smartphone. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the power of your smartphone. These days, modern smartphones have incredible cameras and editing capabilities. Your smartphone is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality videos just like this one you're watching now.
Oh my god! Wow!
In this series, we'll cover everything from finding your niche to planning your content to creating and editing your videos to posting your videos online. I'll keep it simple and straightforward so you can easily follow along even though you're new to content creation. Now let me share a story to highlight how effective using your smartphone to shoot content can be. When I first started content creation, I didn't have a fancy camera, I didn't have a lighting setup, I had just my phone, and it was even Android that time.
Damn!
So what I would do, I would put my phone on the window using natural light, just like what I'm using right now. After shooting my videos, I would use free editing apps like InShot and CapCut to edit my videos. Then CapCut was still new. As a beginner, I would recommend you use CapCut because CapCut is beginner friendly and it's easy to use. It's really easy to learn. But don't worry, in this series, I would teach you how to use CapCut. But with just these things, I was able to create amazing content that could connect with my audience. My first videos were simple TikTok videos and I shot them using my Android phone. But then I ended up getting lots of views and positive feedback. This showed me that I didn't need an expensive gear or a fancy camera to actually make an impact. I just needed my creativity and determination to actually get what I aimed for. And right now, I'm still using my smartphone, and guess what? I'm making money off content creation just by shooting and editing videos. I made my first 100k from TikTok using my Android phone. And over time, I've been able to get more equipment. I now use an iPhone XS Max. I have a lighting setup. I now have a mic. And in the long run, I know I'm going to get a good camera. The bottom line is, if I didn't start with the little I had, or maybe I was just waiting to get rich first before I start buying equipment, I wouldn't have gotten here. So if you're ready to start this journey as a content creator, stay tuned to this series. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe right now. I would walk you through each step of everything I know about content creation, and by the end, you would have all the skills you need to start creating your own amazing content right from your phone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you will not miss out on any episodes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video.